All right, grade 7, welcome back. This is part 2 of the Wednesday, December 6th lesson. And I have an example for you for activity 2. If you can remember looking at the agenda, we're now on activity 2 doing spotter storm activity extension, which takes about 25 minutes. So I've done the first one. I've got the answer for you. If I click on the document, which I got, if you can recall, in Spotter Storm lesson 2 down here. Remember, it's important to watch the video. Those are really going to be clues for you, and to do the practice doc. So I'm not going to click on the video, but you need to watch the video and then click the practice doc. The practice doc will look like this. And it says, how was it made? How were these clouds made? So it says, taking the answer key as clues to what happens from Spotter Guide Activity 1, Lesson 1. Describe the air masses in front that were created from these clouds. So the first question says, what kind of air masses cause these clouds? How do you know? Well, I got this information from the video in the doc, so watch that video, it's really helpful. So the answer is, since they are cumulonimbus clouds, which are bad weather clouds, the air masses that created them was probably a fast-moving cold cloud approaching a warm cloud. The shape of the cloud is a clue for this weather. And what kind of front was created these cumulonimbus clouds? The front is probably a cold front, where the slow-moving air rises above the cold air. The air will then cool, condense, and precipitation comes. So these are the type of answers we're looking for, and we'd like you to answer 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When you're done, there's actually an answer key that you can pull from, not before, but after you do this, and I've allotted 25 minutes for you to do that activity. And again, watching the video will help you to figure out the air masses in the weather front. And then you click on the link, and you will be able to see the answer key after you are done. Now, when you are done that and you've compared your answers, we would like you to go back into your bundle guide and notice that I have a 1C for another subsection to my learning target. So I'd like you to add this into your subsection. Again, rate yourself on that same rating scale. Is it increasing? Is it decreasing according to how you're answering questions? And then provide proof. So the proof will be this document that you've done. You want to Command C that document, and you want to provide proof. Command V. I want to highlight that. Command K. And I want to change this and call this link Spotter's Guide to. Voila. Okay. So that's how you do the second activity. Let me just have a quick peek at the activity 2. Yep. Compare your answers. Give yourself a rating. Put the proof in as well. And then we have completed the first learning target, and we have 3 pieces of evidence for that. You're going to take a break. When you take a break, take a 5-minute break, come back, and you'll get the last video for activity 3.